So most people are out here paying 20 bucks a month for ChatGPT, another 20 for Claude, more for a video generator, more for an image tool, stacking up subscriptions just to use the best AI. And I'm going to show you one free website that gives you basically all of them in one place. The top text models, the top image models, the best video generators, coding, agents, the actual frontier stuff, the same models the paid apps run on, for free. There's a small catch which I'll be straight with you about, but honestly for most people this replaces a stack of subscriptions. Let me show you. The site is called Arena. You'll find it at arena.ai. Now here's the clever part, because you might be wondering how this can possibly be free. Arena isn't really meant to be a use AI for free tool. It's a benchmarking platform. The whole point of it is comparing AI models against each other. You give it a prompt, it shows you two different anonymous models' answers side by side. You vote for the better one, and those votes build a giant public leaderboard that ranks every model in the world. Researchers and companies use it to see which AI is actually best. But here's the thing, to let you vote, it has to let you actually use the models. All of them. The newest ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, the top video and image generators, they're all loaded in there so you can test them, which means you can just use them for free. You're technically helping with research, but nobody says you can't get great answers and great content out of it at the same time. It's used by millions of people a month, it's totally legit, and it's been around for years. It started as a Berkeley research project. So let me walk you through what's actually in here, because it's a lot more than just chat. First, quick thing to understand, there are a few ways to use it, and most people only ever touch one of them, which is the mistake. There's battle mode, the voting version. You type a prompt, get two anonymous answers, pick the better one, and it reveals which models they were. Fun, and a great way to discover which model you actually like without the brand names biasing you. There's direct mode, where you just pick the exact model you want and talk to it straight. No voting, no mystery. This is what you'll use most once you know what you want. And there's side-by-side mode, which is the slept-on one. It's like battle, except you choose both models, so you can put your two favorites head-to-head on the same prompt. I love this for important stuff. You get two strong answers, and then you can take one model's answer, hand it to the other model, and say, find the flaws in this, make it better. That back and forth usually beats trusting any single answer. Now here's the actual secret to using this whole platform well, and almost nobody does it. Don't sit there scrolling the giant model list guessing which one's good. Open the leaderboards from the menu. There's a leaderboard for every category: text, image, video, code, ranked by millions of real human votes. Find the top model for what you need, copy its name, go to direct mode, paste it into the model selector, and now you're talking to the literal best model in the world for that task. And if the number one is busy or disabled, just grab number 2 or 3. At the top, the gap between them is tiny. That one habit, using the leaderboard to pick instead of guessing, is what separates people who get amazing results here from people who give up confused. Okay, let's go through the actual arenas. First and most useful for most people, the text and chat arena. This is your free ChatGPT/Claude/Gemini. You can talk to the top language models for writing, brainstorming, coding help, research, explaining stuff, whatever you'd normally open a chatbot for. The reason this is genuinely powerful is that you're not locked to one brain. Some models are better at creative writing, some are better at logic and math, some are better at code. In here, you can ask the same question to different top models and see who nails it, or just use battle mode and let two of them fight it out, then vote. Over time, you start learning which model you actually prefer for which job, instead of just defaulting to whatever you're paying for. And there's a neat feature called the Max Router. Instead of you picking a model, it automatically sends your question to whatever model it thinks is best suited for it. Nice if you don't want to think about it and just want a good answer. Next up, image generation. This is where it gets really fun, because some of the best image models on the planet are sitting in here for free. You type a prompt, and just like with text, you can either battle two image models against each other or pick one directly. We're talking the top tier stuff, the kind of models that normally cost credits or a subscription on their own sites. So if you want to make thumbnails, social posts, concept art, product mock-ups, whatever, You can generate them here without burning through some other tool's free trial. And because you get to compare, you quickly figure out which image model is best for your style. One might be amazing at photorealism, another at clean graphic design, another at text inside the image. You're basically test driving all of them at once, for free. Now this one genuinely surprised me, the video arena. Arena added free AI video generation, and the models in here are no joke. We're talking the absolute top of the market. Veo, Sora, Seedance, Kling, and more, all sitting in one place. You give it a text prompt or you upload an image and animate it, and it generates video from 2 models so you can compare. These are the exact frontier video models that people are paying serious money to access elsewhere, and here you can test them and download the clips for your own projects. Now this is where the catch lives, so let me be straight with you. The video side has a limit, something like 3 generations per day for free users, because video is expensive to run. So it's not an unlimited video machine, but 3 free generations a day from Veo and Sora level models that you can download and use. That's still genuinely incredible for free. And here's the smart way to use that limited video quota. Don't burn it on half-baked ideas. Nail your concept first using the free text and image tools. Get the scene exactly how you want it, even generate the starting image. And only then spend a video generation on a prompt you've already dialed in. Treat those 3 a day like they're precious, because they are, and you'll get way more out of them. And it doesn't stop at chat and media. A few more things worth knowing about. There's a code arena, and this one's genuinely strong. You don't just get code, you can ask a model to build you an actual app or web page and then test it live, right there in the chat, and keep iterating on it. Type, "Build me a simple budgeting app," and watch it appear. Tweak it by chatting. There's a code leaderboard too, so you can pick the best model for building. Then there's agent mode, which is newer and honestly the most powerful part. Instead of one-shot answers, you give it a complex, multi-step task, and it goes and does the whole thing. Research, writing, coding, web search, even generating images, all chained together in one workflow without you breaking it into a dozen separate prompts. So you could say, research what makes a good cold email for my niche, then write me 5 variations, and it handles the whole chain. You switch to it from that same top left mode dropdown. And don't sleep on file uploads. You can attach a PDF, an image, a document, and have a model read it, analyze it, summarize it, or edit it. So it's not just type a prompt from scratch. You can hand it your actual stuff to work with, which makes it way more useful for real tasks like summarizing a report or pulling notes out of a document. The point is, whatever flavor of AI you need, text, image, video, code, agents, file analysis, Arena's got the top models for it, free to use. So how do you actually get the most out of this? Here's how I'd use it. If you just need a great answer or a quick piece of content, hop into direct mode, pick a top model, done. Free ChatGPT basically. If you're not sure which model to trust for something important, use battle mode on it and see which one actually gives you the better answer before you commit. If you're shopping for an AI subscription and trying to decide what's worth paying for, this is the perfect place to test drive everything first. Spend a week here, figure out which models you actually reach for, and then decide if you even need to pay for anything. And if you make content, treat it as your free generation hub. Thumbnails and images here, the occasional video clip from the video arena, and let your paid tools handle the heavy volume. By the way, if you're creating content and you're tired of manually posting everywhere, check out repurpose.io. It's a content automation tool. You build a workflow, pick where your content comes from, pick where you want it to go, and once it's set up, repurpose.io automatically publishes it across all your platforms for you. Links in the description. Go try it out. So that's Arena. One free website, the best text models, image models, video generators, code, agents, and file analysis all in one spot. No stack of subscriptions required. If you've been paying for 3 different AI tools, go play with this first because you might not need all of them. The link's in the description. And real quick before you go, you saw that the video side here has that 3 a day limit. So if you want a free way to generate way more video with full quality and sound, I actually made a whole video on exactly that. Using Seedance 1.5 Pro to make AI videos for free, no watermark, way more generous than the limit here. It pairs perfectly with what we covered today, so go watch that one next. I'll put it on screen right now and link it below. See you over there.